Hello and welcome. Today we are going to see step by steps on how to repair mic problem or mouthpiece problem. Actually, the mouthpiece problem can be detected when you call somebody but the person is not receiving your voice. Your voice is not reaching the person, but you hear him calling or saying hello, hello, hello. So in such a case, your phone has a mouthpiece problem, and you need to tackle that problem. To solve that problem, you might change the mouthpiece, or it might be the system that related to the mouthpiece has some fault. So in my case today, I'm going to replace the mouthpiece to see whether it functions. So this is a customer phone. A customer has brought this phone to my repairing kiosk, whereby I have successfully repaired and changed the mouthpiece. So I will show you how to change the mouthpiece. Actually, it's not a big procedure. That is the mouthpiece. I'm going to show you here what I'm touching. That is the mouthpiece where I've indicated. So you just change. It has two cables, two wires. So you just resolder those two wires and replace with a new one. That's a new one, new mouthpiece or new mic. That is just to remove the coating from the wires, to remove the coating from both wires. As soldering helps to attach it very fast. So when you remove it, it has two wires. You just solder the two wires, the blue on the positive side and the black on the negative side. So in this case, the mouthpiece has two wires, the blue and the black wire, but sometimes it might have red and black, like the old one. This one I'm showing you right now,